What's up, you guys? It's your girl CC back with another video. First and foremost, happy holidays. It is Thanksgiving. We are camping, and I just wanted to share our Thanksgiving with you guys, as well as our review, or my review, for New Bern Campground. So we have cooked dinner and everybody's getting ready to arrive. So I'll take you guys around. If you're new here, hey, welcome. Make sure to click subscribe and become a member of the family. If you've been here before or you are a member of the family, hey cousin, what's up? So anywho, let me take y'all around.
Hi guys. You out there? Say hi.
Hi. Here's the babes.
Say hi.
You gonna say hi?
Hi.
Oh, good job, Papa. It's our Thanksgiving spread. Got yams, greens, put that on warm. We got an extra turkey, the mac and cheese. So yeah, everybody should be arriving shortly. I just wanted to pop in and say hey, let you guys know where we are, what we're doing, and oh, the crock pot. I just wanted to pop in and say hey, let you guys know what we're doing, invite you over for Thanksgiving, share this special holiday with you guys, and tell you how I feel about New Bern's KOA. Let me show y'all outside. Gabe finally made it into a video. He said hey.
Hi.
And then our little dessert tray. So yeah, we're about to hang out, eat dinner, and then later on I'll take you guys on a tour of the campground. Good morning, good morning. It is the Friday after Thanksgiving. I know that I was supposed to record for you guys yesterday, but we ate and we hung out and we had a really good time, but I just didn't pick up the camera. So enjoy the ones you love. It's not always a camera moment. Some moments are just for you. So yesterday was a moment that was just for us, but as promised, we are here at New Bern Campground, and you know how we do. We gotta hop on the Cricket and take you guys on a campground tour. So we live in the area, so we don't typically like go out and visit the sites, but I'll tell you guys some things that I think are like must-dos if you come to New Bern. So let's go. Thanksgiving dinner here at New Bern KOA. Babe hosted some of his junior Marines, so the ones that didn't have a place to go or family wasn't close by, they came and had Thanksgiving dinner with us. We had an amazing time, played some games, and just really just hung out by the fireside and really just embraced what camping and Thanksgiving is all about. So, didn't really record a lot of that or any of that really, but it was a good time. Nonetheless, showed you guys around New Bern Campground, and as promised, I'm going to tell you some of the things that I think are must-dos here in New Bern. So let's get into it. Okay, so if you're in New Bern, one of the things that I think you should absolutely do is, if you for breakfast, must go to Baker's Country Kitchen. They have amazing food for breakfast, and the cinnamon rolls are to die for. The grilled cinnamon rolls, gotta have it. Definitely take a walk downtown New Bern. They have a beautiful downtown waterway area. It's gorgeous, and there's a lot of little shops there that you could check out. So downtown New Bern, Baker's Country Kitchen. Thai Angels has very, very good Thai chicken wings. They're amazing. If you like Thai food, even if you don't, those chicken wings are amazing. The shrimp and grits at the Chelsea, either for lunch or dinner. You won't be disappointed. What are some other things? I don't know. New Bern is made up of it's like a small town vibe, but it's definitely like a hometown feel. So just come and check it out, walk around, and if you're in the area, let us know and maybe we'll link up. So I'm trying to think of not just food, but in all honesty, I'm a foodie, so that's what I be wanting to do. But just walking around downtown, and the Pepsi Cola factory is here. So they have the Pepsi store. They have the Pepsi store, and it has a little walk around, and they'll tell you about how Pepsi was made and how it came to be in New Bern. So that's downtown as well. So yeah, definitely check out downtown New Bern. It's a wealth of information, a wealth of history there. I think you guys will really, really enjoy it. Like I said, we're from here. Well, not from here, but we live in this area. So we typically, when we come to New Bern Campground, we typically just stay at the campground and kind of hang out. We might go to downtown New Bern and just roam around. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We are here until Sunday. So I know in one of my videos, somebody asked me in the comment section how we store our golf cart. So I'll definitely be sure to get some footage of that for you guys. When Babe packs up the golf cart. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.